Want to save thousands of dollars on anti-aging beauty products? Do you love eating sweets? Do you crave for a piece of cake, a cookie, or a soda every day? If you do, you may want to think twice before indulging in your favorite treats. Why? Because sugar, the sweet stuff that we all love to eat, can actually make your skin age faster and cause various skin problems. How does that happen? Well, let me explain. It's really common for women in their 40s to look in the mirror with some disappointment and want to find ways to look and feel younger. We all want to slow down the aging process and preserve our youthful skin and energy for as long as possible. We all know that too much sugar in your diet has terrible effects on your health, leading to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. But did you know sugar? It is also responsible for accelerating the aging process. Excess processed sugar in your diet, even in small amounts, can cause dark circles, wrinkles, dehydrate skin, and can fast-track the aging process. Sugar is pretty hard to avoid. It's in almost everything we eat. Processed foods such as sweets, chocolate, soft drinks, alcohol, pastries, cakes are normally crammed full of sugar. But sugar is abundant in lots of food, including those foods might normally think of as healthier options. Adding extra sugar to your routine can actually speed up the aging process on your skin in a huge way, best explained with a banana-themed analogy. When you lay a banana out unpeeled, it very quickly turns brown. The sugars within the banana are reacting with proteins and triggering a reaction. The same reaction happening within our skin. Sugar damages your skin through a natural process called glycation. Glycation is when sugar molecules attach to proteins in your body, such as collagen and elastin, which are the building blocks of your skin. When this happens, it creates harmful molecules called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs for short. When we try to slow down the process of aging, we don't often think about sugar and aging. Instead, we focus on costly miracle pills and creams, when in fact, we really should be focusing on the foods and liquids we fuel our body with, because aging happens inside before it shows outside our bodies. Sugar is not your friend in any health department, and it is directly related to lowering your immune system, leaving you vulnerable to getting sick and feeling terrible. A high sugar diet causes a fluctuating glycemic index, which can even eventually lead to diabetes or obesity. However, the most easily visible effect of the link between sugar and aging happens within your skin. So the question is how much sugar we can use on a daily basis. Well, according to the American Heart Association, the recommended daily intake of added sugar for women is no more than 6 teaspoons 24 grams, and for men no more than 9 teaspoons 36 grams. However, the average American consumes about 30 teaspoons 120 grams of added sugar per day, which is way too much for your health and your skin. Put this into perspective, one 12-ounce can of soda contains about 10 teaspoons of 8 grams of added sugar too, which is already more than the recommended amount for women. A single slice of cake can have up to 14 teaspoons, 56 grams of added sugar which is more than half of the daily limit for men. And don't forget about the hidden sources of sugar in foods such as ketchup, salad dressing, bread, crackers, yogurt, and cereal. So what can you do to reduce your sugar intake and protect your skin from aging? Here are some tips that you can follow. Read the nutrition labels on the foods and drinks that you buy. Look for the amount of total sugars and added sugars per serving. Choose products that have less than 5 grams of added sugar per serving. Avoid processed foods and drinks that are high in sugar, such as soda, candy, cookies, cakes, ice cream, and fruit juices. Instead, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains that are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and flush out toxins from your body. You can also add some lemon or cucumber slices to your water for some extra flavor and vitamin C. Limit your alcohol consumption, as alcohol is also a source of sugar and can dehydrate your skin. If you do drink alcohol, choose low sugar options such as wine or vodka with soda water. Use natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, or stevia instead of refined sugar or artificial sweeteners. However, use them sparingly as they still contain calories and can affect your blood sugar levels. Practice moderation and balance in your diet. You don't have to cut out sugar completely from your life, but you should be mindful of how much and how often you consume it. Treat yourself occasionally with a small portion of your favorite dessert or snack. By following these tips, you can reduce the negative effects of sugar on your skin and enjoy a healthier and more youthful complexion.